Here's how you can use keyframes in your video. So keyframes, let me just show you. I'll tap on my video. This is keyframe. This is what you can use to animate anything in your video. For example, if you want to zoom in, you see those zoom in and zoom out that people add to their videos. It's keyframe you use to add it. A lot of things that are animated in videos mostly are done with keyframes. So like I said, this right here is the keyframe. You see is a diamond shape and it has a plus at the top. Quick break. If you need a video editor to edit your YouTube and social media videos so that you can focus on creating and showing up for your community, then you're in luck because I have lots of offers you cannot resist. These offers are limited, so click on the link in the description or the link in the pinned post to check them out, select your preferred package, and let's get started. So you go to where you want to zoom in or add the animation. Once you go there, tap on the keyframe. You can see that once I've tapped on it, it has the red diamond on my screen. So you just scroll to where you want that to start. Scroll to where you want it to end. For example, if I want to zoom in, I will now come here. You see where my playhead is now. I'll now use my 2 fingers and increase it. You can see that it's already adding the diamond to the second part. That means once you add one keyframe, whatever movement you do in your video is going to be animated. And once you've added one keyframe, you do not need to add another one for that movement. Okay, so you can see that because I zoomed in, it has already added the keyframe to my video. So this is the one we added. This is the one it added itself. Let me just scroll back so that you can see what we just did. You can see that it just zoomed in. That was done with the keyframe. So if you want to zoom out, you just go to where you want the zoom out to start, tap on your keyframe again. You can see that once you've tapped on it, it has the minus. If you remove it, it has the plus. So once you tap on it, it has the minus, meaning you cannot add a keyframe to this place that you've added keyframe already. So you have to swipe to where there's no keyframe. You can see that it has the plus right now. Then you use your 2 fingers again to drag it back, and you can see that it has added the keyframe. So this movement has just been animated. So you can use the keyframe to animate any movement at all. So let's play what we have. Depending on how close it is, like this is faster. You can see that the 2 keyframes are not far from each other, and that's why this animation is faster. But these 2 are a bit far from each other, and that's why it's a bit slower. You can see. Yeah, so this is how you use the keyframe. You use it to animate anything at all in your video. Please never forget that. So adding this zoom in and zoom out to your video just makes it more engaging. So you can just add it from time to time to your video, but don't overdo it. Remember, too much of everything is bad. Let me know if you have any questions. Please drop them in the comment section. Also, let me know what else you would like to learn. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it so more people can learn this. Also, click on this video right here to learn how to add basic transitions to your video. I'll see you there. Remember, Jesus loves you. Bye.